Just sign my petition with this large, oversized pen that requires 2 hands.
I see. Can you hold my dog?
Okay, I have a problem with the word dog. I don't use the D word per se, because I think it's really, really wrong. Duh. But I will happily hold your canine American. More comfortable with that, really. How much is that canine American in the window?
Dad! Come on!
Hey, what the? Come back here! I'm on to you, kids!
Nothing to see here. Keep moving. Go.
Get in, come on.
Get in. Hi. Get in.